Okay, so we got to talk about it, guys. XRP is in fact exploding today. It's leading the market over the last 7 days. It's gone up 26%. I mean, what really else is there to say? Now, many people may be wondering what is in fact fueling this run to the upside. Well, there is talks of a Ripple IPO coming. Now, this may confuse people because obviously Ripple going public is very different than I think what people are used to in the crypto space. And it may actually increase the demand for XRP. Now, why I say this is there's some good takeaways from this, I believe. Okay. Obviously, one of the biggest things that I think has hindered XRP performance a little bit has obviously been the selling of XRP in the market by Ripple itself. If you guys remember, it unlocks 1 billion XRP per month from escrow, and then they usually return 800 million of it, and then 200 million gets sold on the open market. Okay, that's what happens, right? So you have 200 million XRP that's essentially sold per month that helps suppress the XRP price. Well, if you now go to a time where instead of needing to use XRP as runway to facilitate obviously the demands of RippleNet and the company and all those things, right? It can instead come in from investor money on the stock side. So that's where things can kind of get a little interesting here. You may in fact see less suppression of XRP price from the selling of XRP by Ripple. So that's kind of an interesting take on this. But what it also does is it helps improve confidence. Okay. The reason I say that is so you now have to go through an SEC approval in order to have your IPO for the public launch of Ripple, right? So now, in investors' eyes, if you get this approval from the SEC and you have your public launch and you become a publicly traded company, it improves that confidence in a crypto entity. It essentially bridges the two worlds together, right? It really doesn't because, a stock and a crypto, two separate things, no real relation here, but it brings about some absolutely intriguing questions. What is this going to look like? Regardless, XRP has come from the ashes, right? It's gone from a time of suppression, not knowing about whether it's in fact going to be declared a security by the SEC, all these negative times, to now possibly being one of the most dominant coins in the crypto space, being a publicly traded company. I mean, XRP and Ripple are essentially set for a possible takeover of the crypto industry, right? They have the potential to climb and possibly crush Ethereum, crush BTC. We'll obviously see if this remains the case, but times are going to be pretty wild over these next 2 years for XRP, for Ripple. Obviously, once we finally get that conclusion of the Ripple v SEC case, that's going to be a big one for the industry as a whole. But man, they are being cemented as a powerhouse in the space. And I don't think that's going to change anytime soon. So appreciate you guys as always. Love to hear your thoughts on this, but hope you guys have a great one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.